So, hi dears, a warm good morning to you, one and all. Today it is 5/11/2020. I would like to share you few words, that is time and tide, wait for none. Time and tide, wait for no man. In both ways we say. So, time is moving very fast. March to November, just think about your routine, what you had done within this time, that is 2020 March to 2020 November. So now onwards you have to be very punctual, energetic, active in your academics, and do your duties, give more care to your studies, and this helps you to accomplish your wish and will. Have a wonderful time. Nice day. So, regarding Icse board suggestion, your theme 5, it is India geographical features. In your textbook, it is theme 7, but based on the reduced syllabus, suggested Icse syllabus, it is theme 5. It is divided into 3 parts. The first part is India, its location, its extent, and its neighboring countries. And its second part, part 2 of the theme 5 is political divisions of India, its states, union territories, and its capitals. And part 3 of this theme 5 is physiographic divisions of India, the Himalayas, northern plains, peninsular plateau, Thar desert, coastal region, islands. So, you have to learn in depth regarding 3 areas. This is your suggested syllabus. Related to this, your chapter 8, India location and physical features. In its theme 7, it is shown. So, chapter 8, India, location and physical features. The important point you have to understand from this chapter, it is India is situated in the continent of Asia. That is the first point. Second point, India's official name is Bharat. Third point, the 7th largest, India is the 7th largest country of the world. And the fourth point, its population. India is the second most populous country of the world. And the fifth point you have to understand is why India is known, or why India is called Indian subcontinent. India is so called because the physical features of India include varied geographical aspects. You know that plateaus are there, coastal region is there, the Himalayas, the Thar desert. So, all those physical features are there in a single nation, in our country. The Himalayas, the coldest place, the Thar desert, the hottest place, coastal region, the moderate climatic region, and the in between there is another area, forest areas are there. Another forest areas are there. So these are the unique features of Indian physical division. That is why India we call India as a unique nation with physical features. And I started with the question, why India is known as the Indian subcontinent. India is known as the Indian subcontinent because in your textbook it is given as India forms a subcontinent together with Nepal, Pakistan, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. But India occupies a major part of the subcontinent. You know that India belongs to Asia. Okay, Nepal, Bhutan, Pakistan and those countries are also there in Asian continent. But in Asian continent, the major part is occupied by India. That is why India is called the Indian subcontinent. Here I discussed 2 points. One is the unique physical feature of India, and the second is the why India is called as the Indian subcontinent. India is a land of great diversity. It is said the coastal region, the Himalayas, the Thar Desert, those create a great diversity. So now let's move to the location and extent. In the last session, it is well explained. So just reminding you, both Eastern and India occupies the position in both Eastern and Northern hemisphere, and the extent is 3,200, about 3,200 kilometers, and approximately 2,900 kilometers, that is east-west direction, 2,900 kilometers. Actually it is 2,933 kilometers, and Indian mainland is about 3,200 kilometers. It is actually 3,240 kilometers. It is shown in the map. The subcontinent is a peninsular region. Peninsular. What do you mean by peninsular? The 3-sided is covered with water. India, the southern India has a V shape like this, and here Bay of Bengal is there, Arabian Sea is there, Indian Ocean is there. So India is called as the peninsular region. Okay, and look at your textbook. India is bordered by 3 water bodies: the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and the Indian Ocean. And India has a coastal region of 6,100 kilometers. Here you have to understand which state, name the states or which share or which has the border of coastal area. Okay, so there are 9 states located in the coastal region. 9 states share the coastal region. The states are Gujarat, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, and Goa. These are the 9 states which has coastal areas, and 3 union territories also occupies the coastal region. It is Puducherry, we call it as Pondicherry, Daman and Diu, and Dadra and Nagar Haveli. These are the 3 union territories which occupies the coastal line, and 9 states already said. Southernmost tip, the southernmost point, these are different. The southernmost point of India is Indira Point, which is in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And the southernmost tip of India is Cape Comorin, that is Kanyakumari. And we have to understand more information regarding India. The highest point of India is Kanchenjunga. The lowest point of India is Kuttanadu. And the longest river of India is Ganga, and the largest lake is Ula Lake. And we have to understand regarding the states. The smallest state in India is Goa. The largest state in India is Rajasthan. And the most populous state, the state which has the highest population is Uttar Pradesh, and Uttar Pradesh has the largest number of districts also. Neighboring countries, India's neighboring countries. There are 7 countries that share the land boundaries with India. Pakistan, Afghanistan, it is in the northwest. So Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest means those countries share the northwestern states of India. The boundary with the northwestern states. That list we'll discuss later. Now you have to understand the 7 neighboring countries. So Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest region. Nepal, Bhutan, China in the northeast of India. Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east of India. Sri Lanka and Maldives shares the sea. Means it is across the sea. Sea boundary is there in between Sri Lanka and India, Maldives and India. So we have to understand that narrow path, that is the Palk Strait, P-A-L-K, it is not Palk, it is Palk Strait, separates India and Sri Lanka. So what is that Palk Strait? It is a narrow stretch of water in the Indian Ocean. And we have to understand Maldives and India, that is Gulf of Mannar, that separates India from Maldives, Gulf of Mannar. And now we have to understand the neighboring countries share land boundary with our 17 states. Those 17 states, its name and which country it shares the boundary, that we have to understand. Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab and Jammu and Kashmir shares the boundary with Pakistan. And we have to understand Bangladesh and India. The states in the boundary, it is West Bengal, Assam, Tripura, Meghalaya and Mizoram shares common boundaries with Bangladesh. And now we have to understand China and India border states. It is Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. And now we have to move to Bhutan and India. The states in the border are Sikkim, West Bengal, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. And now we have to move to Nepal. It is Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim share common boundary with Nepal. And Myanmar, its earlier name, Burma. So Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh share the common boundary with Myanmar, that is Burma. So in the beginning we said many states formed in 2000. It is not newly formed, that I will say. Before that, how many states India has? 29 and the Union Territories 7. Now let's come to that point. That is Uttarakhand, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. Uttarakhand, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh formed in 2000. It is not newly formed, but it is carved out of the following states. That is Uttar Pradesh. From Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand is formed. From Bihar, Jharkhand is formed. And from Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh is formed. So it happened in 2000. And in 2014, that is also important, Andhra Pradesh was reorganized as Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Based on the Icse syllabus, a revised syllabus of 2020, revised syllabus of 2020, I have completed in this video India, its location, extent and neighboring countries, India, political divisions of India, states, union territories, UTs and capitals. That 2 part I have completed, and you must learn the names of the states and its capital, as well as union territories and its capital, that you have to make it thorough with. the left topic in this theme is, in this unit is physical divisions of India. That will be there in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.